Hey guys, my name's Anuj, and I'm a PM at Microsoft. Today I want to show you how to build a simple voice agent using Azure Communication Services. Azure Communication Services is an AI-enabled communications platform. Today I want to show you a recipe finder sample that I built that helps you find recipes. I'm a busy dad, and when I'm driving home from work, I just need inspiration about what to cook for dinner, given the ingredients that I have on hand. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to call this 1-800 number.
Hi, Anuj. Welcome back. How can I help you find the perfect recipe?
Hey, I have ground beef and vegetables in the fridge. Can you help me find a recipe?
Of course. Ground beef is so versatile. Do you have a specific cuisine in mind, or should I suggest something for you? Also, what kind of vegetables do you have available?
I have broccoli, onions, and I'm thinking about making something Asian inspired.
Great choice. With ground beef, broccoli, and onions, we can definitely create a delicious Asian-inspired dish. Let me find a recipe for you. I found a recipe for 8 delicious Chinese beef stir fries that cook in 15 minutes or less. This should be perfect for your ingredients. Would you like me to send you the link?
That sounds great. Thank you. And there's my SMS. Thank you. So this is an example of how I can pair together a voice agent that can communicate with me via a voice channel. And then once I get the information that I want from the voice agent, it can execute a transactional response. In this case, it's sending me an SMS with the recipe exactly that I wanted to discover. All right. Thanks for watching.